How to compare type of an object in Python. Basically, I want to do this. I tried. And it didn't work. Also, what about the other types? For example, I couldn't replicate none type.
In your case, isInstance, this is a string, str, will return true. You may also want to read this URL.
For other types, check out the types module. PS type checking is a bad idea.
isInstance works. But keep in mind, if it looks like a duck, and if it sounds like a duck, it is a duck. Edit, for the none type, you can simply do
You can always use the type x == type y trick, where y is something with known type. Often there are better ways of doing that, particularly with any recent Python. But if you only want to remember one thing, you can remember that. In this case, the better ways would be Note the last case, there is only one instance of none type in Python, and that is none. You'll see none type a lot in exceptions, type error column, none type object is unsubscriptable, happens to me all the time, but you'll hardly ever need to refer to it in code. Finally, as Fengshan points out, type checking in Python is not always a good idea. It's more Pythonic to just use the value as though it is the type you expect, and catch, or allow to propagate, exceptions that result from it.
Yes,